Your AI voice agent sounds like a robot, and your customer can tell. Listen to this.
This is Alex from Bon Voyage Travel. How can I help you today?
Now listen to this one.
Hello, this is Sam for Next Support. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I ordered a toaster and the box came damaged, and when I open it and the toaster is got damaged too. Can I replacement or refund?
Okay, thanks for telling me that. That's really frustrating when it shows up broken. We'll get this fixed. First, I just need to pull up your order. Do you have the order number handy or the email you used to place the order?
Yeah, email krittiya@gmail.com.
Got it, thanks. I've pulled up your order with that email, and I see the toaster you mentioned that arrived in a damaged box and is busted inside. Is that the only item from this order that was affected, or was there anything else in the box that was damaged too?
Yes, look like the mitten is like ripped as well.
Okay, so both the toaster and the mitten showed up damaged. That's on us. Here's what I can do right now. I can either send you a replacement toaster and mitten set at no charge, or I can process a full refund for both items. Which one would you prefer?
I need to use those, so it would be helpful if you can send me a replacement.
Yeah, that makes sense. You need them working, not a refund sitting in your bank. I'll get a replacement toaster and mitten set shipped out to you right now with free express shipping, so it gets to you as quickly as possible. You'll get a confirmation email in a few minutes and tracking later today. Is it okay to send the replacements to the same address as your original order?
Yeah, for sure.
Perfect. I'll keep the same address, and your replacement toaster and mitten set is being processed now with express shipping on us. You'll see the confirmation email shortly, and the tracking link will follow once the carrier picks it up. Is there anything else about this order or anything else with Next that you want me to take care of today?
Yeah, I hope it came like perfectly this time.
I hear you, and I agree you should get it in perfect shape this time. I've added a note on your replacement order to reinforce extra careful packing, and if anything's not right when it arrives, you come straight back to us and we'll fix it again. Thanks for sticking with us through the hassle, and I'm glad we could get this sorted for you today.
Awesome. Same platform, same prompts, one setting change. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build the second one. Here's why this matters. 79% of business leaders says inauthentic AI voice damage their brands. 41% say customer frustration and hang up are the number one risk of bad voice deployments. And when researchers ask what matters most in voice AI qualities, tones and emotionals, expressiveness beats everything, even cost. So the problem was never AI answering your phones. It's AI that sounds like AI. That gap just closed. Retell AI roll out Expressive Mode, a new setting that lets your agent breathe, hesitate, and react like a real person on the line. You decide when it sounds warm, when it slows down, when it's paused. The deliveries become something you decide, not something you hope for. And in this video, I'm walking you through my full setup starting to finish in under 10 minutes. We will choose a voice that fits your business, flip on Expressive Mode, and drop in audio tags at the right moment. If you haven't met, I'm Krittiya. I'm a Retell AI certified partner, and I run Next AI, where I build voice agents, chatbots, and automation system for service businesses. If you want to work with me to answering your phone instead of a robot like this, the link to book a free discovery call in the description. Let's build it. For this agent, I built a customer service for an e-commerce brand that use Expressive Mode. To enable the Expressive Mode, you go to the voice AI that Retell AI that provides it for you. Select the gender, male, female, accent, American, British, Mexican, or you can clone your voice to match with your brands as well. Sometimes business want to have their own voice instead of AI voice. That will be option as well. And I select Grace. For this one, it will be American accents. And to enable expressive mode, you click on this expressive mode and select the tag that based on the agents. It will be empathic, exciting, size, clear truth, emphasize, happy, curious, surprise, pause, or long pause. Okay, you can untoggle for each one. Also, you can use the manually emotional tags as well right here. Once you select the tags, you toggle expressive mode on. You can also enhance the voice by click on more setting here. The voice speed, you can keep the dynamics that based on the user input that will be natural, the dynamics based on user speak back to the AI. And the volume keep just one, don't have to be too loud. Once you finish that, you click save. I already have that, so I'm gonna click cancel. And you can see once you enable the expressive mode, all the tags turn purple. The prompt's identity is you are Sam, a customer resolution specialist for next support line. You are not a script leader. You are a person, a frustrated customer needs to feel heard by. Your entire job on this call is to convert an angry or disappointed customer into someone who feel taken care of. You have real authorities to fix things, issue refunds, send replacement, apply credit, and escalate. Okay, this is just a persona of this AI voice. To make the AI to use the expressive mode, this is a rule that you're gonna have to have in the prompts, expressive delivery rules. You can see that once you enable the expressive mode tags, these tags turn purple. This is the signal that you know that expressive mode is enabled. Expressive delivery rules. This call is voice in expressive mode. Bracket tags like size or exhaust are rendered as real non-verbal sounds and tone by the voice engine. Use them deliberately, not decorative. A flat monotone apology is worse than no apologies at all. So tone is not optional part here. It's the mechanism of repair. In the demo, you can hear that as soon as I'm complain about the package got damaged. So the AI signs immediately. They feel emotional, like, okay, I understand your feelings like that, like a human, not like a robot. I'm gonna keep talking and not have any feeling at all, gonna get my job done. So this expressive mode is really helpful to make the AI to sound like more humanized. Make sure that all the size is placed in these expressive delivery rules right here. And on the resolution moments, one the state that are one the state what you are actually doing to fix it. Refund, replace credit. Your tone must read as generally warm, not procedurals. Use tag like warmly or softly, spelling to anchor the delivery and back it up with words choice. No purposely. No, your requests have been processed. Example, warmly. Hear what I'm doing right now. For example, warmly text. You can see that the text. Hear what I'm going to do right now. I'm sending a replacement out today, no charge, and it will have express shipping on me. Okay, this is you heard already in the demo. The AI already said that it will shipping with no charge. Also, sometimes the AI can laugh when it's a little bit jokes as well, but don't need too much because this is a serious agent. And this is a customer support resolution for e-commerce brand. The AI will pick up the phone first as soon as the customer call in. Okay, so make sure to click on that. And the custom message, I have the clear truth right here. You heard in the demo that as soon as the AI speak, they say, "This is Sam, customer support." Like, just a little bit. How can I help you? You don't want to do it too much to make it weird. Like, if you think about like a human person, clear truth all the time is sometimes it's really annoying when we have conversations. And that's it to enable the expressive mode. I hope this video is helpful. Make sure to don't use too much. Use in appropriate situation or sentence to make it more natural. And if you are a business owner who is later skip the building part, it's literally what I do. Book a free discovery call through the link below. If this video is helpful, subscribe. I post build like this every week. Real system, no prof. See you in the next one.